guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 2 Module 4 Lesson 5 homework. Alright, so let's get started. Solve and show your strategy. So number 1, 38 markers were in the bin. Chase added the 43 markers that were on the floor to the bin. How many markers are in the bin now? Okay, so there's 38 markers, and then Chase added 43 more, so it's plus 43 more markers. So what we want to do is find the total amount of markers that are now in the bin. So let's draw a tape diagram. So we have 38 markers, and Chase added 43 more. So originally this much was in the bin, but then now this whole thing is in this amount. Total amount is how many markers are in the bin. So what we want to find is the total. So to do that, we need to add 38 plus 43. So let's see, we can do the make 10 strategy, which is we borrow 2 from 43, and you can do the other way too. You could borrow 7 from 38, but I'm just going to do this one. So basically then if we take out the 2, then this would be 41, because 41 plus 2 is 43. But now if we circle that, notice how 38 plus 2 is 40. So that becomes 40, and we can't forget about that 41. So 40 plus 41, which is 81. So that means our total is 81. Box that. So there are now 81 markers in the bin. So yeah. Alright, now number 2. There are 29 fewer big stickers on the sticker sheet than little stickers. There are 62 stickers on the sticker sheet. How many big stickers are there? 29 fewer big stickers on the sticker sheet than little stickers. That means since there are 62 little stickers, there's 29 less. So, okay, I'm gonna draw a tape diagram. All for little stickers. There are 62 little stickers on the sheet. And the big stickers, there's 29 fewer. So this much is 29. And this is the amount of big stickers. So we want to find this. So to do that, we can do 62 minus 29. Now I'm going to use a strategy that also is kind of like maybe 10. So it's kind of hard to subtract these numbers, but it's always easier to subtract the number that ends in a 0. So 29 plus 1 is 30, which ends in a 0. So we're going to add 1 to both sides. So 63 minus 30. And it's still going to be the same answer because we added 1 the same to each side. So then it equalizes. So you have to make sure you add to both numbers, or else it would not be the same answer. So now 63 minus 30, we know 60 minus 30 is 30. So then 63 minus 30 would be 33. So 33 is our answer. That means there are 33 big stickers. Alright, next page, number 3. Alright, Rose has 34 photos in a photo album and 41 photos in a box. How many photos does Rose have? How many total photos? So Rose, she has 34 in an album and 41 in a box. So total, let's see, I'll do A for the album, and she has 34. And she has another 41 photos in a box. So B for box. Actually, right now, find the total. So 41. Oh, I suppose we could have done that too. You just combine. And album box. And we want to find the total amount of photos. Alright, so to do that, we need to add up 34 plus 41. So 34 plus 41, let's see, we can just add 34 plus 41. We could try to do subtract 1. So, let's see. But actually we can't do that because it's addition. So I think we could just add straightforward because we like the ones digit. 4 plus 1 would be 5 plus E. So, okay, 3 plus 4 is 7 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So you kind of see what I did there. You just added each place value and you got 75. So, boop, boop. That means Rose has 75 photos. Say all together. Alright, now number 4. Hallie has 2 ribbons. The blue ribbon is 58 centimeters. The green ribbon is 38 centimeters longer than the blue ribbon. How long is the green ribbon? Alright, first B for blue. What do we know so far? The blue ribbon is 58 centimeters. And now the green ribbon is the same, but it's 38 centimeters longer. So we have to add another 38. So how do we find how long the green ribbon is? Well, we just have to add together the parts. 58 plus 38. Do the make 10 strategy. Borrow 2, which gives us 36 left. 58 plus 2 is 60, plus the remaining 36, and that will give us 96. So how long is the green ribbon? Well, the green ribbon is 96 centimeters long. Alright, now B. Hallie uses 67 centimeters of green ribbon to wrap a present. How much green ribbon is left? So right now, she has 96 centimeters of green ribbon. So I'll say W for wrap. She uses 67 to wrap a present. So 67 is gone. So this is what's left. And this is what we want to find. So 96 minus 67. Alright, we can wait, hold on. We can do that strategy again to make 10. Kind of. So 67. It's easier to subtract a number that ends in a 0. So if we add 3 here and add 3 here, that's 99 minus 70. That will give us 29. So that means our answer is 29. Since we add it to both sides, it will be equal. That means there is 29 centimeters of green ribbon left. now number 5. Chad bought a shirt for $19 and a pair of shoes for $28 more than the shirt. How much was the pair of shoes? Actually, let's write it out. Shirt. $19. And the shoes is 19, but 28 more. So 19 and 28 more. Okay. So how much was the pair of shoes? This is what we're trying to find out. So we add it all up. 19 plus 28. Let's make 10. Take out 1, because 19 plus 1 is 20. And that gives us 27 here. So 19 plus 1 is 20. Plus 27, which is 47. Alright, so how much was the pair of shoes? The pair of shoes costed $47. Alright. Now B, how much money did Chad spend on the shirt and shoes? So the total. We know the shirt is $19 and the shoes $47. So we just want to add it all up to find the total. 19 plus 47. Let's make 10. 46 right here. 19 plus 1 is 20. Plus 46. And that will give us 66. So that means Chad spent $66 in total. Actually, not in total. We don't know what else he bought, but at least 66 on the shirt and shoes. Alright, now see if Chad had $13 left over. How much money did Chad have before buying the shirt and shoes? Alright, so B from the amount that he bought. So he spent $66. So he bought $66 worth of the shirt and the shoes. And left over is 13. So this is his money that he had. And we want to find the total. So do that. We add 66 plus 13. Do that mental math strategy. 6. And we add the place value. So 6 plus 1 is 7. And 6 plus 3 is 9. So 66 plus 13 is 79. That means Chad had $79 before buying the shirt and shoes. Alright. So yeah, I think that's it. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!